What's the meaning of belligerence? Belligerence. Belligerence.
Belligerence. Belligerence. Belligerence refers to a hostile or aggressive attitude or behavior towards others. It is the state of being combative or confrontational in nature. Belligerence can be displayed in various forms, such as verbal attacks, physical violence, or even passive aggression. It is often associated with traits such as anger, hostility, and a lack of empathy towards others. Individuals who display belligerent behavior may do so as a means of asserting their dominance or gaining control over others. However, it can also stem from deeper psychological issues, such as feelings of insecurity or a need for validation. Belligerence can have negative consequences both for the person displaying it and those around them.